reporting from Mims, Florida. It's supposed to go all night. It's gonna be insane, guys. I will update y'all in the morning. See y'all. Alright guys, we're laying here. We are reporting from Mims, Florida.
So y'all take cover.
Alright guys, look at this. It's starting to become a pool out here. It's going all the way. Dang, it's out by the tree. That's never happened. It never floods out by the tree. This is crazy, guys. And we're not even in the hurricane. We're still 100 miles out of the hurricane. This is insane. The rain's supposed to be horrible. It's supposed to be flooding hazards. It's already about 3 to 5 inches right here. And it's already started to deteriorate the water. So it's supposed to go all night. It's gonna be insane, guys. I will update y'all in the morning. See y'all later. Peace. Hurdle. Oh, spin move, juke. Do the eyes. There you go. It's getting really bad, guys. Winds are blowing everywhere. Oh God, here it comes. Oh. Come on back in, Lane. Come on. I like them.
We can't go though. Oh yeah, go down.
Oh, it's in their house. It's in the door.
Oh, it's to the door.